All right, Hannah wants to buy a $530 camera, and she can save $40 each week. So we already know we're gonna do, since she's doing it per week, we're gonna have $40 times the number of weeks, right? If she's doing this week after week, we're gonna have that be the coefficient. Okay, she can save $40 each week from her paycheck. However, before she can buy the camera, she must give her brother $70. So she's going to say, okay, what is the total amount that she's got to come up with? For how many weeks will Hannah need to save before she can pay back her brother and buy the camera? So we're going to combine those amounts to find the total amount we need. Well, $530 for a camera, $70 for her brother. That's $600 that she needs to come up with to pay off both her brother and the camera. So we're going to say 40, the amount she's going to save per week, times the number of weeks. She's got to get herself to 600. Okay? So number of weeks that she's saving times $40 saved each week. What value of W, how many weeks before she saves $600. So we're going to just solve this algebraically by dividing by the coefficient. And we get W equals 600 divided by 40. I'll do this now, but it's just a fun fact that we could move the decimal from where it is, and decimals are always at the end if you don't see them. We could move them the same number of places in both the dividend and the divisor, dividend, divisor, and we'll get the same answer. So if we moved the decimal over to here and got 60 and moved it to here and got 4, that we would get the same answer. So we could actually do 60 divided by 4 to get what we want to get. Same answer. We won't need to modify our answer at the end. Okay, so I'm going to just write again though. 600 divided by 40. 40 goes into 60 once. Bring down that 0. 40 goes into 200 5 times. 40 times 5 is 200. So that's W. If we did this over here, 4 goes into 6 once. Bring that down. 4 goes into 25 times. 4 times 5 is 20. If I subtracted 20, we'd be left with 0. Also 15. So you get the same answer. So how many weeks? 15 weeks.